bubble bath can be so great. Now jump in the bath and don't be late.
No, no, Mommy, not now. Not now. Look at the elephant bathing here, splashing the water far and near. Watch him splashing with his trunk and ear. He's having such fun, just look, my dear. Look at the ducks swimming on their backs, happily singing quack, quack, quack. Jump in the tub, my special one. You can take a bath and have lots of fun. I want to have fun with all of you, so I will bathe and be clean too. Hi kids! We hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you! Bye-bye!